Most people think financial change looks dramatic. A new job, a big raise, a lucky break. But most of the time, it starts much quieter than that. It starts the moment you stop feeling panicked every time money leaves your account. And if that sounds small, it's not, because that tiny shift changes everything. The first sign of real progress is not wealth. It's relief. For a lot of people, money feels like a mystery. You get paid, you pay bills, you hope there's enough left. That's not a plan. That's survival. But when you start building structure, something different happens. You start knowing where your money is going. You stop guessing. You stop hoping. You stop pretending next month will magically fix itself. And honestly, that alone feels like a win. Because the moment money becomes predictable, fear starts losing power. Here's what most people don't realize. Breaking out of the money trap does not begin when you become rich. It begins when you stop leaking money into nonsense. You cancel the things you forgot you were paying for. You stop buying stuff to numb stress. You start asking one simple question before spending: do I actually need this? That question sounds basic, but it's powerful, because every unnecessary purchase is really a vote for staying stuck. And the hardest part is not the spending, it's the identity change. A lot of people are not broke because they have no money. They're broke because they keep performing a lifestyle they can't afford. The clothes, the car, the eating out, the constant upgrades. It feels normal because everybody around you is doing it. But when you finally pull back, you notice something strange. You don't feel less free. You feel more free. That's when it hits you. Maybe looking successful was never the goal. Maybe being secure was. And that question can humble you in a good way. The first real proof you're changing is boring. Your bank account stops feeling scary. Your paycheck lasts a little longer. An emergency does not destroy your whole week. You start saving without making it a dramatic event. You begin thinking a month ahead instead of a day ahead. That is the beginning of power. Not flashy, not viral, just real. And real is what lasts. Because once your mind gets calmer, your decisions get smarter. When you stop leaking money and start building margin, your whole life opens up. You can think clearer at work. You can make better choices at home. You can actually look at opportunities instead of just reacting to bills. And that is where growth really begins. Not in one big moment, in a series of small wins. One better decision, then another, then another. That's how people escape the money trap. Not overnight, but for good. So if you're trying to change your finances, don't wait for some perfect moment. Look for the first signs. Less panic, less waste, more margin, more control, more calm. Because that is what real progress feels like. And once you feel that shift, you'll never want to go back. If this made sense, subscribe for more money mindset videos that help you build a better financial life step by step.